take off, to remove or to ascend. उतारना या उड़ान भरना. For example, विमान 30 मिनट में उड़ान भरेगा. The plane will take off in 30 minutes. The plane will take off in 30 minutes. कृपया अंदर आते समय अपने जूते उतार दे. Please take off your shoes before entering. Please take off your shoes before entering. Next one is get over. To recover from something. ठीक होना या पार करना. उसे फ्लू से ठीक होने में बहुत समय लगा. He took her a long time to get over the flu. It took her a long time to get over the flu. आखिरकार उसने सार्वजनिक रूप से बोलने के अपने डर पर काबू पा लिया. He finally got over his fear of public speaking. He finally got over his fear of public speaking. Next one is take up. To start a new hobby or activity. शुरू करना. For example, मैं पेंटिंग को एक शौक के रूप में शुरू करना चाहता हूँ. I want to take up painting as a hobby. I want to take up painting as a hobby. उसने तनाव कम करने के लिए योग करना शुरू किया. She took up yoga to relieve stress. She took up yoga to relieve stress. Next one is fill out. Means to complete a form. फॉर्म भरना. For example, कृपया इस आवेदन पत्र को भरें. Please fill out this application form. Please fill out this application form. मुझे अपना टैक्स रिटर्न भरना है. I need to fill out my tax return. I need to fill out my tax return. Next one is drop off. Means to deliver someone or something. छोड़ना. For example, मैं तुम्हें स्टेशन पर छोड़ दूंगा. I will drop you off at the station. I will drop you off at the station. क्या आप पैकेज को पोस्ट ऑफिस में छोड़ सकते हैं? Can you drop off the package at the post office? Can you drop off the package at the post office? Next look up means to search for information. जानकारी खोजना. For example, आप शब्द का अर्थ शब्दकोश में देख सकते हैं. You can look up the meaning in the dictionary. You can look up the meaning in the dictionary. मैं ऑनलाइन पता देखूंगा. I will look up the address online. I will look up the address online. Next one is turn up. Means to appear or to increase. आना या बढ़ाना. For example, मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि वह पार्टी में आएगा. I didn't expect him to turn up at the party. I didn't expect him to turn up at the party. क्या आप वॉल्यूम बढ़ा सकते हैं? Can you turn up the volume? Can you turn up the volume? Next one is get rid of. Means to eliminate or remove. हटाना या समाप्त करना. For example, मुझे पुराने कपड़ों को हटाना है. I need to get rid of old clothes. I need to get rid of old clothes. वे अपने बगीचे से कीड़ों को हटाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. They are trying to get rid of the pest in their garden. They are trying to get rid of pests in their garden. Next one is go on. Means to continue. जारी रखना. For example, कृपया अपनी कहानी जारी रखें। प्लीज गो ऑन विथ योर स्टोरी। प्लीज गो ऑन विथ योर स्टोरी। बैठक 1 और घंटे तक जारी रहेगी। The meeting will go on for another hour. The meeting will go on for another hour. Next one is turn on. Means to activate or start. चालू करना. For example, क्या आप लाइट्स चालू कर सकते हैं? Can you turn on the lights? Can you turn on the lights? उसने समाचार देखने के लिए टीवी चालू किया। She turned on the TV to watch the news. She turned on the TV to watch the news. Next है break up means to end a relationship. रिश्ता खत्म करना। For example, उन्होंने 5 साल बाद रिश्ता खत्म करने का फैसला किया। They decided to break up after 5 years. They decided to break up after 5 years. दोस्तों को टूटते हुए देखना मुश्किल है। It's hard to see friends break up. It's hard to see friends break up. Next one is put up with. Means to tolerate or endure something unpleasant. सहन करना। मैं अब और शोर बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। I can't put up with the noise anymore. I can't put up with the noise anymore. उसने कई सालों तक उसकी बुरी आदतें सहन की। She put up with his bad behavior for years. She put up with his bad behavior for years. Next one is run out of. Means to deplete a supply of something. किसी वस्तु का खत्म हो जाना। For example, हमारे पास चीनी खत्म हो गई है। We have run out of sugar. We have run out of sugar. हाईवे पर उसका पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया। He ran out of petrol on the highway. He ran out of petrol on the highway. Next one is break into. Means to enter a building by force, especially to steal. बलपूर्वक किसी जगह में घुसना, विशेषकर चोरी के लिए। For example, चोरों ने दुकान में घुसकर पैसे चुरा लिए। The thieves broke into the shop and stole money. The thieves broke into the shop and stole money. किसी ने पिछली रात घर में घुसने की कोशिश की। Someone tried to break into the house last night. Someone tried to break into the house last night. Next one is pass out. Means to faint or lose consciousness. बेहोश हो जाना। मैराथन दौड़ने के बाद वह बेहोश हो गया। He passed out after running the marathon. He passed out after running the marathon. इवेंट के दौरान गर्मी के कारण वह बेहोश हो गई। She passed out from the heat during the event. She passed out from the heat during the event.